A tuned mass damper is a special device that is often installed on steel stacks and chimneys to increase the damping on the structure and suppress vibration. A mass ring is placed around the structure with springs between the mass and structure. The damper significantly increases the structural damping and suppresses wind-induced vibration. You can access the tuned mass damper by selecting it in this damping/vortex drop-down menu. Below, select the device details. You will then see this menu. Elevation determines the height at which the tuned mass damper supports are placed on the stack. The length of pendulum is the vertical distance from the center of the lug hole to the center of the hole on the mass. Next is the outer diameter of the damper mass that is being suspended. Next is the height of the damper mass that is being suspended. We then have two weight entries. The first is the total weight of all of the components that comprise the tuned mass damper. The second weight entry is just the weight of the components that are moving, such as the mass itself. The final entry is the structural damping value, which is the most important value. All of these parameters must be manually entered. The software doesn't have the ability to estimate these values. Meca does offer tuned mass dampers, and if you email us the file, then we can estimate these parameters and send you a quote. We return the file with the damper parameters entered along with a quote. Once you save these damper options, then the weight, wind area, and structural damping are considered in the overall analysis of the stack.